Do you want to learn how to make $50 per hour on Autopilot? You only need to click a few buttons, copy a few URLs, and before you know it, money is going to be flowing into your account on a daily basis. In today's video, you'll be paid $50 per hour on complete Autopilot. Once again, there's no need to sell anything, no need to show your face, and no need for any expertise. You can do this for free and without spending any money, so even if you have no money in your account right now, you can still do it. What I enjoy about this new technique is they will pay you on a daily basis, which means you won't have to wait long for your money. I strongly advise you to continue watching this video because I'll be showing you later a step-by-step process on how to sign up for free so that you can begin earning money. And as always, I'll be giving you some free and exclusive bonus tips that you can only see in this video so that you can earn double or even triple what others who don't watch my videos earn. Many people are unaware of this brand new strategy, so you are really fortunate to be watching this video right now. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to get on and earn some money, and you can do it again and again using your smartphone or computer. This will be an easy way to make money online in 2021. I'll show you how to leverage the best and most effective platforms to make money quickly. Click on that red subscribe button and switch on notifications, and you'll be notified anytime I submit a new video. With that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Alright, I don't want to make this video very long, so let's now go to the website where you can earn $50 per hour, and this is the website that I'll share to you in a bit. Now, here's a warning. If you go directly to the website by yourself without watching this video, there is a high chance for you to get lost because this website is a little bit complicated, and when you get lost, you won't be able to earn anything, and I don't want that to happen to you, so keep on watching and really focus on what I'm about to show you. So, what is this platform? Well, basically, it's an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation. You'll be able to access various offers on their marketplace, which you can promote and share to other people. When they purchase your offer, you will make money. You can promote different products again and again, and that's why the earning potential on this brand new method is unlimited. Now, you might be wondering, do I have to pay anything in order to start promoting offers? Well, no. Signing up for this website is completely free with no hidden costs, no nonsense, and you can choose to get paid weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Now, take a look at this. You can see their sign up page here. I'll show you later on how to properly sign up on this website. Now again, if you skip any part of this, you might get lost in the process and you won't be able to earn anything. Now, don't worry. I'll guide you through the whole sign-up process and even show you a live demonstration because I really want you to earn a lot of money from this brand new method. Okay, as you can see here, these are all the available offers that they have on this website. When you scroll down, you can literally see that they have a lot of offers that you can promote. For example, this product right here on the right side. You'll be able to see how much money you can possibly earn from it, and just below that, you can read more about the product. I'll just leave it up to you to read about it. If you continue to scroll, you can see that there are a lot more offers that you can promote. Some of them pay higher, some of them pay lower, so you really need to choose properly on which offer you want to promote. In just a few moments, I'll also show you how to start promoting these offers and where to promote them in order to earn that $50 per hour on complete Autopilot. So keep on watching this video and don't skip anything. So right here, what you need to do is click on this drop-down menu. By default, the whole list of offers is being sorted by sales rank. That's not what we want here because what we need to see are the earnings. So in order to do that, you just need to click on this one right here and choose Sort by Earnings or Sale. By doing that, the list offers that you see below will change and it will now be sorted by earnings, which means that the highest paying offers will be shown on the top of the list. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. Hit the red subscribe button and leave a comment down. As you can see here, this offer will pay you more than $700 just by promoting it to other people. So, if we go to a calculator and compute 700 multiplied by how many people purchased through your offer, for example, let's say 3 people, that's more or less $2,100. Now, just imagine if more people purchase the offer, you can really make a lot of earnings from this brand new method. So, in order to start earning from this, the first thing that you'll need to do is sign up. That way, you can have an account on Digistore24. Yes, that would be our secret tool for today's method. This website is digistore24.com. You can simply type in digistore24 on your Google search box and then click this link right here in order to proceed to their page. On the homepage of this website, all you need to do is click on this blue button right here that says Start Now. It's free to sign up. Simply click on that one and you'll go to this page where you can see that it's actually free to register, and then you can profit from Digistore24. On the sign up page, you have to click on affiliate right here because that's what you'll be doing, and you'll be doing affiliate work and promoting offers. The next thing to do is fill out all these boxes with the needed information. So you need to provide a username for this part which says your affiliate link. They will automatically choose one for you once you promote a username, and you will use that personal affiliate link. Later on, when you start to promote offers, then you need to provide your email address, your password, your time zone, and some basic details about yourself. Now, what I like about this is that they actually accept everyone from anywhere in the world. So wherever you are right now, you can actually do this and start promoting offers and earn $50 per hour on complete autopilot. Okay, so why don't you comment down below where you're from, and I'll make more videos for your region in the future. Once you're finished with your basic information, you need to tick this box and then click on this blue button right here which says Register for free now. After doing that, you will now have your very own account on Digistore24, and you can now start to promote offers and earn money. So when you click on Promote Now right here, Digistore24 will give you an affiliate link which you can then share to other people, and when people click on that link, they will be redirected to the sales page of whatever product that you promoted, just like this one right here. When they purchase this product, you'll be able to earn some commission from it, and if you do it again and again, you'll be able to earn a big amount of money. As mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'll now give you an exclusive bonus tip to earn double or even triple compared to others. Okay, so what you need to do is visit this website called reddit.com. Now, for those of you who don't know Reddit, Reddit is a network to communities where people can dive into their interests, hobbies, and passions. This is where we'll be promoting your link because a lot of people actually come over to Reddit and post different stuff. According to SimilarWeb, there are almost 1.6 billion people who come here on average. That is a lot of people, and you can basically share your link with them and earn a lot of money. So what you need to do now on Reddit is to go to the search box right here. Then type in how to make money online and hit search. You will now be able to see all of the posts which are related to this question. As you can see here, there are a lot of people who are posting this question and are looking for answers. This is going to be our perfect opportunity for you to share your affiliate link from Digistore24 and earn big commissions. But you can't just go ahead and give your link without saying anything. You need to provide them with some tips on how they can earn money from your affiliate link. Here's the second exclusive bonus tip that I want to share with you. I actually made this done for you template which you can copy and paste and use on Reddit. I'll give you a copy of this done for you template later on, so I suggest you keep on watching. Now, as you can see, this template is like a list, and below each list is an affiliate link from Digistore24. You can just replace these links with your very own links, and then you can start copying and pasting this template on Reddit posts. So as an example, I'll highlight everything on here and then click on copy. Then I'll go back to Reddit and look for a post and just paste my template there. You can do this again and again depending on how many offers you want to promote. After doing that, you can now relax and wait for your commissions to come in and enjoy your earnings. Alright, well that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it until the end of this video, just know that you'll start making money if you decided to step up. Don't let your emotions control you. Get up and start following whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you did make it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure to check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do, just like to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and like this video. If you want to see more money making videos, click on the next video as shown on the screen following this tutorial. Okay, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.